How y'all doing? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Welcome to my channel. I'm ready to see your Bratlam, and today we're getting into this pretty simple, everyday little grunge little look for the girlies that like the most and not the lesser, but still want to be a little bit like basic-ish, basic adjacent. You know me? Like, so yeah. Sit back and we'll get into how I did this look. How y'all doing? Okay, so today's video is sponsored by y'all who be in my mentions telling me that you guys want a video on a more everyday look, something slightly more simple. I don't really like that term, but here's something that I have come to be doing in the past week and some change. It's just very, very easy, cute. I enjoy it. Very, very quick, so we can get into that. Okay, so I'm gonna start this video with, I'm gonna use my Estee Lauder Double Wear Smooth and Blur Primer. Let that sink in. I was gifted this primer by Estee Lauder. I have already used it in tandem with the Double Wear foundation that they also sent me. I enjoy it. I'm gonna use it in today's video. Yeah, I think it's a really nice foundation. It works well with my skin. The color that I chose and that they sent me, I tell y'all all the time, I'm not good with shade matching, but this, I did good on the first try. Like, hand clap for me. I did good. Just want to let the primer dry down a little bit. I always kind of like to let my primers dry for at least 3 minutes at the very least if I'm rushing. I like to go for 5, but y'all know I'm constantly just chaotic and always just all over the place. I have a question for y'all. Okay, so I know, child, we're in the ends of days. Like, we are in the ends of time. Like, we are between the government, the economy, the almost lack of ozone layers we getting through, honey. We are. So, like, have you guys ever thought about the impending apocalypse? Or, like, do y'all have skills that can get y'all through? Because I'll tell you right now, I don't. Nope. I ain't got none. Not a single one. Okay, so for this, I'm going to take my Born This Way concealer in Caramel. Very light. Super light. Just some real cute. With my Milani Make It Dewy. And then we're going to blend this out. Now this is a simple everyday look, so I'm not doing too much. I will not even be doing an extra lightening on the inside. Okay, so now that we've gotten that out the way, just gonna lift that up a little bit. Ooh, that look crazy. My head is big, honey. Okay, anyway, sorry. So I'm going to my Estee Lauder Double Wear in shade 6N2, which is Truffle. Such a good shade, works very well for me. It's almost perfect, low-key. I did not color correct. I cleaned my makeup, my vanity off, and I moved the color corrector out of my eyesight. And if it's not in my eyesight, I'm gonna forget to do it. And I hate when I do that and I forgot. Just pretend that I did, because in most instances, I'm to the point now where I absolutely color correct underneath my eyes and my mustache. So, just pretend that happened. I'm gonna take my e.l.f. Ooh, I'm just getting that everywhere. I'm gonna take my e.l.f. foundation swirl brush. Do you see that? Skin. Looks like my skin. The perfect shade. Like, the perfect shade. Such a fan. I like how when I do my foundation, after I do my contour, it literally looks like I'm chiseling my face out. Like, I enjoy that. That's why I'm just like, do I need contour? What would this be? Like, reverse contour? Just highlight? That's that reverse? That's what y'all call it? Okay, so now that I've done that, and I've done enough setting in that I want to do, I'm gonna take my sponge and my Milani Make It Dewy. But yeah, like I was saying, I don't have any skills. I feel like my biggest skill would be like being like a dominatrix in the apocalypse, but like that's not an essential service. So like, that's not essential to what anybody will have going on during the apocalypse. So sorry about that. So yeah, like, what am I really gonna do? Let's be honest. Let's be really realistic here. What am I going to do in the apocalypse? Unless people are really hard pressed to get their hair and nails done. Which, like, I'm not a licensed cosmetologist. But I guess in the end of days, that wouldn't really matter as much. But, like, yeah, what am I finna do? What am I really, really gonna do in the apocalypse? I ain't got nothing for y'all. Like, I mean, I guess I could be like I could be the apocalypse witch. Like, y'all need tarot readings, y'all need little satchels, y'all need jars, like, y'all need healing stuff. I could do that. I could be a factions witch. Because by that point, we'll probably be in factions, let's be honest. Like, so yeah, if it came down to that, I would feel like I would end up being something like, I'd be like, what, the Bene Gesserit? No, I didn't read Dune. I didn't read it. So, if y'all did, and y'all like, girl, you don't know what you're talking about, that's fine. That's fine. I know them some witches that control so. I feel like, yeah, if that were the thing, I would be like a Bene Gesserit. Helping to, using sorcery to manipulate, which y'all got going on. I don't know. That's all I can come up with. That's what I would be doing. That right there. Okay, now that we've gotten that out the way, let's get into blush, shall we? So my current favorite has been my Dion Cosmetics blush in the shade Attraction. It's just so good. So good, and it's buildable. And I love that. I love it. Just a little dot. Like, see how far this cute little dot takes me. Taking me to the other side, because that's a lot. Going on my nose. Going on my chin. It's very pigmented. But, you know, still buildable. Like, I know if I truly wanted more blush, I'd just put another dot on there. But what I have right now is pretty good. Okay, so this is my e.l.f. Putty bronzer brush. I feel like y'all knew that. And so I'm taking this up a little bit. Really get my contour through my blush, if we're being honest. Like that's where my contour is, honey. My cheeks. Okay? So we've gotten that done. Now, okay. Now that that's done, we can move into the powders. Now for today, I'm not doing any loose powder. Haven't really been into it. At least for like my quick things. I'm actually just gonna, I'm not even gonna take my Studio Fix. I'm gonna take my Bare Minerals, Mineral Original Veil. Pressed, the pressed powder. And take one of my sponges. Do the same thing I do with my, my MAC Studio Fix pressed powder. And just, that's how much I put on it. Y'all know I've been forgetting shit. So lately, I've been putting, Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Concealer. Not concealer. Airbrush, what's it called? What is it called? The setting spray after I do my creams and my liquids. I didn't do that this time, obviously, because I'm clearly just not on my game right now. And I'm gonna take some on my eyes, just kind of lightly map that out. So yeah, did that just for my under eye and my my oily areas. Now for the rest, I am gonna go back in with my MAC Studio Fix and NW45 for the rest of my complexion to get the color back in. Not that the color really left, honey. And let's be honest, where's my color going? Yeah, just really light. Okay. Now I'm gonna take my Makeup Revolution Blusher Reloaded in Pink Lady. I'm gonna use my Milk Cosmetics brush. Just go over the liquid. Okay. The base, done. And we're honestly almost fully done for real, for real. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna start with a pencil just along my waterline on my bottom lash. So we're gonna start. Okay, got the bottom lash, just getting that out the way, something a little, okay. Now, let me close this up. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in. So now I'm going to my Ink Blot Cosmetics gel liner. I take a little brush like that, and I'm going to make, instead of a cat eye, make like a little blob on the inside of my eyeball. So, as so. Okay, see that? Like a little blob. I'm gonna do the same on the other side before I fill it in, just so I know my little blobs are the same size. Okay, perfect. Cute little blob. Nothing too crazy, nothing too much. Just a cute little mixed light, okay? I enjoy it, something cute, but we're not done. Okay, so I'm gonna take, I forgot all about it. I'm gonna take my ColourPop highlighter in Vanilla Bean. I know it's my all-time fave, and we're just gonna get some highlight going. Okay. Oh yeah, I already had the eyelashes on. Those are lash 5, y'all already know. I got 18, 16, 14, 14, 12, 12. That's my lash map, in case anybody was wondering. Okay, so now that I've gotten that, okay, so that's it done. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add my little freckles. I'm gonna do my dots, and I'm gonna come back and do the lips. Okay, so the dots have been done. As we can see, I did my freckles. I even had to even this out just a little bit. Okay, so before I do my setting spray, we're gonna get into, so this is my favorite little thing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put one little diamond right in the middle of this. I feel like a little medium-sized diamond because my little blurb, he's like a medium one. I'm gonna take one of these and plop it right here. So yeah, it's cute. Slightly elevates it just a little bit, not too much. But for my people who are still like slightly maximalist, like even if it's just like a little bit, like even when you don't feel like doing too much, you can still do enough. Okay. Okay, so now that I've done that, I'm gonna take my Urban Decay All Nighter. Then I'm gonna take my hair. I'm gonna take this Urban Decay All Nighter. Once I spray this, I'm gonna spray this, take my hair, I'm gonna spray this, then come back with my hair out, and then we're gonna do lips, and then we're done. Okay, so actually we're gonna do lips first. So let's get into this lippy. I'm gonna wipe. I'm currently wearing on my lips the Cosmetics Damage Control. So good. Super hydrating. I need a new pencil, like a new pencil sharpener. So I'm gonna start with my Makeup Revolution Artist Color Pencil in Dimensional Dark Brown. Okay, now I'm gonna take my Melt Cosmetics Perfectionist Pencil in shade Caffeine. Okay, blend that a little bit. Because this is a very light, quick little look, it's gonna take my Milani Lip Oil Fruit Fetish in Raspberry Peach. And we're done. If you guys like it, like, subscribe, comment, you know, the usual. If you don't, keep it to yourself. Literally keep it to yourself. Let me tell you something. Y'all be in my comments on my YouTube, more so like my styling shorts, talking about, oh, this is cute if you would take this off and do this, that, and the third. What I put on and how I dress myself and how I do my makeup, how I am, it's not for none of y'all, okay? So it would make a lot more sense for y'all to just not comment on my shit, okay? Okay, because like, we don't all dress the same. I'm not expecting to, I don't dress for other people, and I'm not expecting everybody to like the way I dress, but like, I'm gonna tell y'all right now, y'all will not come up on me in the street and tell me some dumb shit like that, so keep it to yourself. The internet has made y'all really bold, y'all have no couth, and I need y'all to reel it back in. Yeah. Alright, but anyway, I hope you guys like it. I will see you guys in some days.